Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Unlock the bootloader now, because an update will need low-level access. Once done, make a full backup of user data and vendor partitions to a PC or SD card so you can recover if needed. You should also download the exact ROM build plus vendor and optional GApps and check checksums to avoid mismatched binaries. These first steps prevent bricks and save time later, so do them deliberately before flashing anything. You now perform the core flashing sequence. Boot into Custom Recovery or Fast Boot and make sure a DB or Fast Boot lists your device. Flash boot first, then vendor, then system. Follow the ROM's required order because partition mismatches cause boot loops. Wipe cache and Dalvik to clear stale code. If the ROM needs sideloading, use a DB sideload. Otherwise, flash the zip from recovery. Reflash a compatible kernel, or SC. You finish by rebooting to system and monitoring the first boot, which may take 3 to 10 minutes. Do not interrupt that process. Once booted, verify essential functions like Wi-Fi, cellular, sensors, and encryption. Check logs with a DB logcat for errors. If you encounter a boot loop or pervasive errors, immediately return to recovery. Clear data or restore the backup you made earlier, or reflash the exact vendor and boot images that match the ROM. That single troubleshooting step saves most recoveries.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.